Hello, traders. FS Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 6th, and this is my analysis of the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the Euro dollar monthly, I'm still a big believer in the fact that this is going to make a higher low, higher low. I still think this is either going to go up and make an expanding flat, wave C, which would probably bring it all the way up and take out these highs, or possibly it's a running flat wave C, which would bring it down to one of these lower swing levels. But either way, I am definitely still thinking that we have a big move to the upside on the dollar pairs. Heading down to the weekly, I'm pretty convinced that this right here is the end of a wave 2. This right here is a wave 1. This is a big ABC correction like a wave 2. And I think there's a very good likelihood we are going out for a wave 3 to form that pattern like I was showing on the higher time frames. So this would all be a wave 3 anyways because this is the end of a wave 2. So a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and wave 3 of wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame, I personally think this is the end of a correction right here. I mean, until we actually go up and start breaking structure, we can't really prove it. It could always make a lower high and turn back down. I mean, it definitely is possible. But for me, it definitely looks like 5 waves up, wave 1. Looks like a downtrend A, 3 waves up B, another downtrend C, 78% fib bounce. I think this is a 1, this is a 2, and I think we're in a wave 3 that potentially has a lots and lots of upside potential. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I definitely think this is 5 waves up right here, wave 1 or possibly wave A. This right here looks to me like 3 waves down, either wave B or possibly wave 2. That means that we're either in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, and if it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, then it will probably go up to this fib level, make a big bounce, make a break of structure, proving that it is a wave C, and then it will continue the downtrend from there. On the other hand, which if it really is a wave 3, which I actually think it is a 1, 2, 3, then it will still get a fib bounce, but instead of breaking structure, it will make a higher low, and just keep on trending up in that wave 3. So either way, I am looking for longs, learning and earning, whether we're in a wave 3 or a wave C. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, the UK is on holiday today, and the Bank of Japan is also on holiday today. It kind of looks like this is already trying to end the correction, but I wouldn't be surprised if there was actually a wave A in there and this was a wave B and it actually went down, made a wave C before it went up. Either way, whether it does do a proper ABC like that or whether this is already an ABC correction and it's going up from here, I personally am definitely looking for longs in an uptrend while I learn whether this is a wave C or whether it is a wave 3 on the 4 hour time frame like I was just explaining. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups at the time of entry that I share with my group by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.